you for joining me, everyone. This is Rachel Doe back with another video. Tonight we are staying for one night at the Hotel Mystays Yokohama in the Kannai location. We just checked in a little bit before 3 o'clock and they let us into the room. And this is just one night. We're stopping here on the way between Tokyo and Osaka, and we'll do a quick room tour. So this is another business style hotel, which means they're very small. They're really only meant for 1 or 2 people, but they are just somewhere to drop your luggage and go, and they provide a lot of the amenities for you. This is the entranceway, and here is where the kettle is, the drink station, and the mini fridge. And it is nice and cold. There are also some extra pillows up here. At the front here we have a full-length mirror. I like this more than just having some hooks because you can actually lay your clothes out this way. Shoe shine liquid, a shoe shine brush. Down below we have our room slippers, which I need to change into, shoe bag and shoe polish and a shoehorn. The room is carpeted. This is a standard double room. And here you can tell the colors are a bit muted, maybe a bit outdated. We do have our one size pajamas provided, so you don't have to bring your own. And by the bed, typical of these business hotels, we do have the light switch and the fader. We have our outlets and just a flashlight. And we have a fader and an outlet on both sides. This hotel, I think, also did have smoking and non-smoking, which is interesting. It's rare to find a smoking hotel still these days. But this is a non-smoking room. Now over here we have the luggage storage bench. It looks like a dehumidifier. I've seen people complain as well about this hotel. It is centrally controlled, so I think you can still change the temperature. There is the fan here. I think you can't change between heat or air conditioning. Right now we're staying here in May and it is on the cool setting. There are notices about it, so you just need to make sure you do your research to make sure if you're someone that wants the heat on right now, that's not gonna happen. And right here is the little desk. We've got the phone, the light, writing pad, and this is where we put one of our suitcases. Right now we're traveling with just 2 carry-on size. Of course we can put it on this in a minute, but just for filming I have it under here. So this is not a great spot if you have multiple large luggages, which I don't recommend you bring to Japan anyway. We do have a safe here, which is nice. Not every business hotel has a safe. Down here we have the information about the property. Oh, and here is a fold-out mirror. So if you need to get ready separate from someone using the bathroom, you can use this. And there's the TV as well. Here's the view we got on the 6th floor. You can see the train station just barely that we came from over there. It is JR line here. From where I live near Tokyo, I was able to take just JR the whole way here. I didn't have to switch to another line or a subway or anything. There is a cafe down over here, a cafe here, restaurants, and there is a 7-Eleven right over there. Here's the little chair and table as well. Again, this is definitely set up for 1 person. This is where we threw the other carry-on size luggage. And like most of the business hotels I've stayed in, they had an amenities box in the lobby. So instead of putting everything in the rooms, you just take what you need. I went ahead and grabbed the English visitors map, and then there were DHC brand toiletries. So we have toner, moisturizer, what else? Cleansing oil, facial cream. You can grab the cotton hair swab. We also grabbed a razor, shaving cream as well. I think the only thing that I love that other hotels have provided is sheet masks, but I did bring my own, of course. Here's the temperature control. I haven't messed with it yet. So it does look like I can control the air conditioning temperature. And here's the bathroom. It's actually a decent sized tub for a business hotel. It's very deep, it's just not very long. I do this spiel in all my Japan hotel videos, but if you're not familiar, basically Japanese bathrooms are typically waterproof and you can shower yourself off over here in this section. All the water will drain down there and then you can soak in the tub, or you can use it the way you use it in Western countries. We have face and hand soap, and this is also DHC brand. We have our cups. They also provide the travel size toothbrush and toothpaste. We have the hair dryer here. Our towels look pretty small and thin. Of course, we have our bidet. Something usually in Japan too is sanitary bags if you need them. The sink is separate from the bath and shower tap. Sometimes they are connected. So, and the temperature control is over here. If you don't use Celsius, I recommend just going a little bit above 40 and adjusting from there. We also have shared toiletries with the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. For the room tour. A comment, like, and subscribe go a long way for my small channel. And if you didn't know, I am an actor living in Japan. I make all sorts of travel content over on my YouTube channel. I've been based in Florida, right now I'm based in Tokyo, and I have a lot of content on Vegas and Hawaii as well. Let me know if you would stay here or if you've ever been to Yokohama in general. Thank you for watching.